Hello there, guys. So today, I decided I'm gonna get back on EQUIVERSE because I just was curious if they had made Foals yet. Because the last time it was on, it was a rumor that they were gonna start making full art, and I really like the little foals rather than the adult horses. So I was gonna take a look at them, and then just kind of play a little bit. It's been like 6 months since I've been on here last, so. At least 6 months, because I got an email or a message from someone who said that they were watching my YouTube videos 6 months ago, and I hadn't seen it, so it's been at least 6 months. So there's a new article. It's about 3 weeks old. I'm just a little late here. Okay, so where was it? Okay, the rescue center. Okay, this is a little baby. Let's see if this is a foal. It's a foal! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's so cute! Oh, I wonder if the foals look different for each breed. Okay, so that was a Gypsy Vanner. Or a Gypsy Vanner. I don't know how to pronounce that. Do you guys know how to pronounce that? Okay, this is a paint horse. Oh, they are different. Oh. Oh. Frisian. Let's see what this looks like. It's the same thing. This is the paint. Mustang. The same thing. Clydesdale. What? I don't think I knew that. Are Clydesdales new? No, they're not. No, they're not. I just thought they were. No, they're not. Thoroughbred. Probably it's the same thing as the other. Oh my goodness gracious, it's quite skinny. Quite little. So I have thoroughbreds. I have them in a locked group. Who is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so I must have gotten this horse because it looks like a horse that I worked with at my sister's work. I'm gonna have to stick his picture in there because now that this thing's a foal, it looks just like him. His name is Dasher, so I went ahead and I named this guy Dasher, but he looks, oh man, I'm gonna have to find a picture and put it up on the screen for you guys so you can see what the actual horse looks like. But wow. He is cute. Train. Wow. He is so cute. He's a miniature horse. That's what Dasher in real life is. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to show you guys a picture of him. Oops. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to show my sister. Let me look at these guys. Oh wow, I've got old horses in here. They look the same. I like this guy. He's cool. Yeah. This was one of my first horses. It's gotten pretty average. Look. Okay, so what I used to do is I would go to the fountain every day and I would wish for money. I received 1,000. And then, in order to earn some interest, I would put, goodness, I can't remember if it was like 5,000 that I would have on hand I'm going to deposit 5,863, so it's an even 5,000. 863. Oops. My, wow. Num's lock was on. Number lock was on. Okay, so 863. Okay, move money. Alright, so I'll be earning more interest. So then I would go and I would look for horses that were for sale. So I would do that for open sale. It doesn't, I would do $100 or $1 and $500 because you can't find horses like this. And then you can actually find really good horses doing this. I think I did a video on it one time. So these are like the ratings on their, I guess they're just figures. So 78 is pretty good. Let's see what the highest one is that we can find. I think 78 was the highest. $78. Let's do this one. I'm not going to buy it, I just want to look at it. Huh. Cool. And then, what else would I do? Junkyard. You can find something here. Once a day. Okay, cool. I'm gonna see if I can find any more foals because they're adorable. So I'm not leaving Dasher. 0 and maximum. I'm assuming that it's 2 that they grow up, so I'll just put in 2. Okay, we already looked at thoroughbred, paint, Frisian, thoroughbred, Welsh pony. Let's see what the Welsh pony colt looks like. Oh, it's not as cute. A Shinso. I have no idea how to say that. It looks the same as Dasher. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, they grow up at 1 year old. Wow. Huh. Okay, so. Wow, there's a lot of. Okay. Andalusian. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing these really wrong. Ooh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of a cool horse. Oh, Clydesdale. Let's see what this one looks like. Aw, cute. So cute. Okay. Well. Let's see. Oh, I had a friend request. I have to respond to that. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys heard that. I think that was my dog. Oh, this was a conversation. I'm watching your videos. That's awesome. I like it when people message me. Wow, I've been on this game for a long time. I have a new friend request, so view it. Horsepower. Is that the one that... Yes. You are my friend, Horsepower 123. Yeah. Yes. I'm sorry for the delayed response. That was like 6 months late. I'm hoping to be on here a little more. Because, well, they got foals and I was waiting for the foals. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. There's only 28,000 people in this game? We need to make that more. It's a little harder to play than horse. Like you know, Howers. It's spelled Howrse. It's a little harder to play than that, but it's got, like, the horses are so much more realistic, and I love the look of the horses, especially now that they have foals, and they just look very realistic. So, I don't know why there's only 28,000. There should be like 1 million. They are super cute. You guys, this is probably old news to you, but I just wanted to video it because it's quite adorable. It really is. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one.